What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send automatic receipts for payment received on Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Simply give it a click, and after clicking, you will see this page of Stripe. Now, if you are new to Stripe, on the right side, you will see the option of sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password, but if you already have an account on Stripe, you will see the option of dashboard. Simply give it a click on the dashboard, or if you are new, just sign in and then you will be able to access the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard on the right, you can see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon and then click on business. Now, after clicking on business, on the right side, you can see the customer emails. Now, this is the main portion of the video. After coming to customer emails, here you can see the payment section. Just toggle both these on. By toggling these on the successful payments, the receipt will be automatically generated and sent, and the refunds will also be automatically generated and sent if there are any. So this is how you can send automatic receipts for the payment that you have received on Stripe. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.